I got my contact right now.
Hello there. It's another episode of Food Truck Friday. And we are at Nana's Caribbean and Barbecue Cuisine. Or Nana's Pates. Pate. Nice little Caribbean spot. Yeah, I'm about to do it right now. This was, of course, Kenny. We got Travis. He's gonna hit that edge. Stop someone to you. Okay, we got Brandon and we got Kira.
Chicken tacos.
You said who?
Jerk chicken tacos.
I might get a jerk chicken taco. That's looking like where it's going.
3 for $10.
Yeah, either that or get some barbecue ribs. Oh boy.
Jerk chicken fries.
And they just say fried. And they just put the tape over.
Jerk chicken fries.
What is that? Oh, fried chicken.
It's good.
Like
Cocoa bread and cheese.
I didn't realize they wrote it at first. I was like, they just put fried. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna get some mac and cheese, some barbecue chicken. Oh. Man, they got crazy fries? I don't even know what that means. That's about to be crazy.
You got sweet potato pie. It's real black in here.
Yeah, I was about to say this is real black. They got a $40 family meal up top. 10 pieces of meat, your choice, 2 sides. That don't sound bad.
But they dare forget that.
Yeah. Man, it came out. I was not ready for that random Houdini in there. Cause I don't even like Houdini.
I think I know what I want.
I already know what I want. What y'all getting?
What do you want?
I want the jerk chicken tacos and the jerk chicken fries. Unless you're planning on getting the tacos, then I'll get the jerk chicken sandwich.
No. I'm getting
She said no. Shut that down real quick.
jerk chicken and greens and mac and cheese.
I was looking at the greens too. I was like, I might get the greens.
So I'm getting the same thing she just said, but I'm gonna get the fried fish instead of the jerk chicken.
Ooh,
Mm.
I'm gonna get the Nana special.
I'm getting rice and beans and mac and cheese. I'm gonna hold on.
Over yellow rice and beans.
Yeah.
I'm getting that too.
We cater for all occasions. Oh,
You wanna get extra salad?
if it's good, we might have y'all
I'm gonna
cater.
get this.
I don't need my whole.
No, I'm saying.
The greens and the mac and cheese. I'm gonna get this. Shredded jerk chicken over yellow rice and beans.
Rice and beans. Rice and beans.
Like I said, I want the jerk chicken fries.
Yes.
Actually, let me see. What else?
Oh, they go to
chicken
this-
tacos.
They got pictures right here, Brian.
That's fine. That's smooth. Can I get the jerk chicken tacos and the jerk chicken fries?
Ask if there's onion on there on the taco. I think
There's not.
Okay, look like there's onion on there.
He said it's just meat. It's just jerk chicken, cheese, and barbecue.
Oh, okay. That look like onion. Though.
Can I
I was
get
say I know
the
ain't tripping.
jerk
It's-
chicken plate
Oh, same thing.
with rice and beans and mac and cheese? And then an extra side of the
Potato pie.
That's what we were just talking about too.
I don't like sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato pie is different though. I
I
feel
don't
like.
like it that either.
Oh,
Was it not just
Okay.
then if you already
I know that.
That's
Maybe
the
you wanna
one, the
drink
white
it?
stereotype I got.
Yeah, that hurt. That hurt just a little bit.
Did that hurt?
That hurt just a little bit.
Which one you want?
I get
Yeah,
a
that
water
beef
with
pancake.
wine.
Okay.
Now you doing it. He's talking about that shit.
Hey,
You can't help it.
hey.
Pate.
I'm about to send all these
Cut out.
pictures.
I don't know.
Oh, you got
I don't know. We're gonna see, but I don't know. I'm talking about that mac and cheese though.
And that was more than convenient.
Crazy fries topped with shredded. I'm looking at that crazy fries though. I must have pretty much all sides. We're looking like
Thank you.
Oh, perfect.
what?
They take cash up.
Oh damn.
Can I get the
I was
fried
like, yeah,
fish
Shayla is.
hot?
I wish I had known that. I was looking for my wallet the whole
Yeah,
time.
with mac and cheese and greens.
I think
And then can I get the Nana special as well?
I thought they real black. But, we got some stuff on.
Yeah, I gotta get an order less than
Give me some burger.
Mac and cheese and greens.
I hate that.
And they got cornbread.
Yep.
Cornbread.
No, that's it. 23. All right. I'm about to pay you on Cash App too.
I brought my card. I'm sorry. I want to pay Cash App.
Big man, go ahead and do that. Get your ass walk your shoulder.
Nah. But they're looking for my wallet, so they ain't gonna let it go to waste. That they're looking for no reason.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I was looking for my wallet for a good half hour. That's what.
I still haven't found my wallet. My wallet's been off like a week and a half.
Yeah,
Ain't nobody spent nothing on it, so we're good.
Find out I'm about to pay something for it right now. Start buying shit. New fish meat.
Triangles.
Well, they got some good ass tacos.
They really do.
Yeah. They really do got some good hours.
Oh, but because it's just hard to find a food truck after like 8 o'clock.
Honestly, the ones by the neighborhoods be the best ones. Cause like this one and the one by our house, like that one's open to like 10 or 11.
That blue spot, the one that's by the strip club, like the Go Big Gold building over in that area. Let me get the barbecue ribs. Let me get the crazy fries.
I just not realized.
Yeah, barbecue ribs, the crazy fries,
What's that to do, like daily
the mac and cheese,
all up $5.
and then what all do you have to drink? It's just these things right here.
Love to see it.
Yeah, let me get the orange crush.
What y'all doing today?
Well, nothing now. I was doing, had stuff to get ready to pick it.
That's it. We're gonna be right back after these messages. That's good, man.
You can't leave a hanging when they do that.
They put the green on my ribs. I didn't expect that. The green on the ribs. He put the little.
No, that ain't no green. Let me show you the green.
He put the little stuff on there. He tried to make it look pretty.
Ooh.
Might fuck around and be the thumbnail.
First of
My
all,
jerky jerks. These my tacos.
all right, go ahead and show the tacos. Go ahead. Lean
No,
forward.
yeah.
Ooh.
Y'all didn't see the fries. The fries look.
The
fire.
fries look.
Put the fries on the
I was
screen.
saying.
There.
Let me give them a grand reveal.
Oh.
Oh, his fries different.
Put mine right next to yours.
Fries look beautiful.
Look at that. Cheesy fries. Cheesy fries.
We got the fish, the greens, and the mac.
All right,
Then I'm excited for this. I'm so hungry.
I bust all this foreplay. Let's dig in.
Oh, we got one more thing to show.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
I'm gonna eat this first.
I think this is like the hungriest we've all been since like the Zacky's one.
I was gonna say,
Oh,
'cause
Zacky's was.
I wasn't super hungry, but we were waiting so long that I got hungry.
The mac and cheese would look good.
Oh, I was hungry
The mac
before.
and cheese is good.
It is.
Oh, we're doing.
Yeah.
So we doing the mac and cheese first? Okay.
Oh, I was digging. I'm
I
sorry.
was saying, okay. Go ahead, go to mac and cheese. I'll go for fries.
The mac and cheese.
I gotta open my fucking.
The motherfucking
That motherfucking ooh, damn. It can't wait to go in my mouth.
I had to stop this. Stop
That's
it.
some good mac.
It is some good mac. I'm gonna go 2 thumbs up though.
I give it one.
I'm gonna go 2.
But it is some good mac.
I'm gonna go 1. Be difficult.
We do.
Right. You gotta set the bar.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm gonna dig in and grab a regular fry first.
Let me grab a fry off you.
I don't even know where to start with these fries.
Let's see a regular fry go.
You got a fork for that.
Right,
if you want.
fry.
And then I'm gonna grab a cheesy fry after that.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice and crispy.
That's a 1 thumb up.
That's a good fry.
That is a good fry.
They could use a little bit more seasoning.
Ooh. I'm about to try Brandon's fry.
All right, time for the
Jerk
cheesy
This
fries.
one right
Hey, this is like 2 thumbs up. My fries, my jerk fries,
Yeah, I was about to say I'm gonna go 2 thumbs up.
these are good. Y'all want to try?
Them jerk fries
Yes.
are real close to being this.
Yeah, like they're
real close.
I'm
Very
giving that a
close.
1 thumb up too.
They're dangerously close.
Honestly, it's worse with the cheese on. I feel like.
Yeah, it's not that great with cheese.
Y'all need to try these.
I'm trying to find one that's. Let's grab this one right here.
Just y'all might as well just dig on there.
I can't even get it out. It's literally falling apart in my fucking hand.
Oh, that's good.
I'm saying you gotta get all the sauce and stuff too. That mess is good.
Oh,
It's real close to being this.
Hold this for a second.
I'm gonna do 2 thumbs. 2 thumbs up on that.
I'm giving it 2 thumbs up just because I feel like it could be a smidge bit better, but it's still fire.
Cause yours got meat in it. Nobody said mine didn't have no meat in it.
All right, there you go.
Oh yeah, because they're jerk chicken fries.
I'm saying I didn't know that was a thing up there. I didn't see that.
I didn't. I heard Brandon say it, but I didn't see it.
It was definitely on there.
Yeah, I didn't see
Did
Honestly-
anyone else get the rice and beans?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't eat that shit.
I'm about to try it.
All right, give me 1 second. Well, you go ahead and try it. I'll try it right after you. But I'll give that this. I'm gonna give that this.
Was it fries?
Yeah.
I didn't realize I was that thirsty. I took some orange crush and shit. Come through my body.
I'm gonna give the rice a 1 thumb up. A solid 1 thumb up.
You got the yellow, right? Yellow beans, yellow
Yep.
rice and beans, or whatever.
Rice and beans.
I'll fuck with it.
Then it's my rib.
I might give it 2 thumbs up.
I know, the more I'm eating,
Oh.
it's coming closer to that too.
Mmm.
Did you try the rib?
Let me try some of this
That
chicken.
red ribbon?
That rib is ribbon.
Yo,
Like a frog, rib.
you know what? Did you get a fork?
Yeah, I got a fork.
Scoop up some rice and chicken.
Did you try the beans?
Get it.
I felt it go down.
That's good too.
We are
You know
on
what?
this. Nice.
That
And I put that Sprite.
I'm
down,
gonna
too.
go. I'm gonna do this for the rice and beans with the chicken in it. Same with my ribs. I'm gonna do this too as well. This
I'm
is on
trying
some.
the jerk chicken.
Honest, it's up there. It's RHL level ribs.
I would say
RHL,
that's don't disrespect them.
you know, RHL had some good ribs. It was
it
was everything else that was
Sandwiches.
bullshit. Yeah, this,
I'm only giving this chicken a 1 thumb
Charles is ready. He knocked the camera over. He's ready to eat.
All right, let's get these.
up.
Let's
You
get these
wanna try
greens.
The chicken by itself?
Anybody get greens besides me?
I'll try it.
I did.
You said you did.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and try them then.
It's good chicken. I can like
Thank
that
you.
also.
Yeah, I gave
Took a little bit of
only
piece of
gave
that
it 1
rib.
thumb
It's a little
too.
tougher, but it's
You need
good.
some sauce.
Yeah. Should have got barbecue on the jerk.
Yeah. Well, we'll dip it in the fries.
Good rib, ain't it?
Who's beef or pork?
I'm assuming they're pork.
He's gonna park his gas truck right here. He's gonna blow up the whole
These
park.
I was about to say.
These greens like a 1.5. Well, no, I'm gonna give it a 1. It's
I'm
a
a-
1.
I'm right there with you. That's a 1.5. But I'm gonna give it a 2 to counteract your 1.
You wanna try
Just
it?
gonna round it up.
Yeah. You want to try these greens?
You just need the rib, Travis.
Oh yeah, I gotta give that a rating, don't I?
Right.
I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up only because it is really tough.
Yeah, I was. That's the only thing that's bad about it. It's a little tougher.
Do you want to try this chicken by itself?
Yeah.
I got the same chicken on in my rice, so
Thank you.
I got the same chicken on my fries, but I'm gonna eat it.
It's good chicken. I'm also going this for the chicken. All the proteins I've been giving this to. It's definitely good.
I'm gonna give the chicken a 1 thumb up.
And it wasn't that expensive either.
No, not
It
at all.
wasn't.
Mine came out to 15. I had cheesy fries and
I
the
feel
side,
like we got like
ribs.
5 different things.
Got another drink. Didn't know they was giving me a water bottle, my thing. I wish someone got that.
We paid 34 for the 2 of ours.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
oh, so I paid 22 for mine.
This is some
Because these are
healthy
really good.
portions.
They really are.
These fries are a meal in themselves.
Mm-hmm.
I'm over here smacking these. I ain't even tried the taco yet.
I'm right. You got tacos.
I didn't.
He's like your maxing these fries. Them fries are doing that thing, man.
That's more.
I low key wish I got normal
No,
fries,
no.
Yeah.
but the cheesy fries.
I'm telling you, shit, what's called the jerks.
Yeah, that was good too. I wish they got that or just regular fries.
Them jerk fries are bad. And
The
they're
cheesy
hidden
fries
too.
wasn't it.
Because they use shredded cheese.
Yeah,
I don't like that.
it's like the obvious store bought shredded cheese.
What kind of sauce is this?
I don't know.
What is it?
There's a sauce that comes with it.
I have no idea.
Let me smell
Okay,
it.
if you're scared to try it, I'll try it. Find out.
Kind of am.
Can you
But
open it?
it smells familiar, but I'm not sure what it is.
It looks like yum yum sauce, but it smells spicier than yum yum sauce.
Here, Charles, you want to try it?
Yep.
What is it?
Okay, you I'm going to try that sauce in your chicken.
Damn it.
Yeah, I'm going to dive into the taco with it.
This is what it's mac and cheese though.
It's like 2 thumbs up.
It's a little dark to be yum yum sauce.
That's what I said.
Oh. It's Carolina Gold.
Is it?
Yeah.
It smells like it.
Mmm.
I think it's their take on that. It's like a Swedish barbecue sauce.
That taco's getting this from me.
Here. Y'all split.
That whole bus.
You said y'all split that taco.
Yeah, I'm saying y'all can split this taco. Just split it right down the middle. Finish the other taco on these fries. I'm gonna be
It's
all
that
right.
shredded cheese. That's the thing.
Yeah.
I love that.
That's good out taco.
Yeah, that's not bad. Personally, I would get mine with no cheese.
With taco?
Yeah, I would get mine with no cheese. But
The cheese didn't do anything for me either way.
You feel like the cheese kind of ruins it, but I would go 2 thumbs up. It's literally the only thing knocking it is the cheese. Other than that, there was no cheese on it. Yeah, there's no cheese on it. We get this. We get this.
Man, this shit fire.
It is good.
I'm giving the
glad-
taco this thing.
I'm glad.
What'd y'all
it's
give the
good.
taco?
I
it
gave
2
it
thumbs up.
this.
That, see, me and Kiera staying on brand.
Did we try everything?
Nope.
No, but I still got fish.
And she got
Right.
sweet potato pie.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I do got that. It's so fine.
Let's break open this fish real quick.
I don't know, it's so heavy. Like, if you eat something like this, you gotta go to bed.
Right, I'm gonna go home and take a nap.
On this.
Yeah. That's the only thing. I've been eating heavy lately. I've been eating ribs and barbecue shit lately. Oh, this is about to smack.
Oh, that looks like it's about to smash.
That looks crazy.
That fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know
It's
this.
hot.
I know this food good. Everybody here thick, niggas too. Everybody here thick.
All right, fuck it.
Dude, I
Now
was
you're
eating
eating
it.
a rice and cabbage.
Mm-hmm. This place is good. You know what I wish though?
What?
I mean, I know this isn't that kind of place, but they have that ghetto season. That's what I'm gonna call it, ghetto season.
They do have it.
Oh,
They
they
have
do?
the lemon pepper, yeah.
Yeah, that's all it needs is ghetto season. And it'd be
Need some
Look
hot
at that.
sauce
So I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up.
I'm gonna give it 2.
What? Fish?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it 1. It needs some hot sauce.
I got some.
You got some.
He's like, he keep that hot sauce
Look
in his
at
bag.
this. That whole guy hits.
Oh, that is, yeah. Even it's orange crushing.
I'll say I'm gonna give it 1 thumbs up on the fish because
In fact, I give it 1.
I've definitely had better fish before.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, it needs that ghetto
It's
seasoning.
not bad at all, but
Yeah,
it needs some seasoning. You're right. They did give me 3 pieces of
Didn't do something?
Y'all better go ahead and get you a bite.
All right. I was hoping it wouldn't be good.
Y'all better go ahead and get you a bite.
I was hoping it wouldn't be good. I was trying to stop. I was hoping she'd be like, I was hoping she'd say, oh, this ain't it. I'm like, okay, I ain't gotta eat that too. Now I gotta
No,
eat
this
that too.
is it. This
Damn
is it.
all right, come on.
I'm looking for a reason.
I
I'm trying to
like
see it
it.
better than my
Here,
grandma's.
I'm finna smack
here,
his
there's a
grandma
knife on it.
for him.
I'm dead. I'm about to say, you got that knife for me?
What?
I'm gonna cut a piece off with that knife.
That thing banging.
Some good fry.
Let
It ain't better than my
go, let me
grandma's,
go.
but it is
It's
some
gonna
good
take me
I'ma give
one
it-
little scoop and then.
It's probably the best, like, sweet potato pie I've had that wasn't, like, from somebody's family.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up solely because you know grandma's is up here with it.
Yeah.
So
But
I'm gonna give it 2. It's a solid 2.
due to the conditions, it ain't bad.
That's good sweet potato pie.
Yeah, that's some good sweet potato pie.
I'm about to say, I mean, it's not better than Nana's.
I'm saying like better than bananas.
Good grandmas, but it's definitely good, especially like, yeah.
It's up there.
I'm gonna go.
That's what I say. Given the conditions, it's pretty good.
I was gonna say for, I'm debating between 1 and 2.
I'm going 1, which is a victory for this place because I don't like sweet potato pie.
Yeah, you gotta have Nana's sweet potato pie, man. Or grandma's. She's fire.
I'm gonna give it 2.
Kenny about to fuck around and take me to Thanksgiving this year.
I was gonna say.
This is like the
You can
17th time. You go back and watch all the episodes. He's like, look, man, you don't have to come to Thanksgiving.
You gotta
Playing Nana, be whipping like bread.
Well, she be going crazy in that kitchen.
Your family gonna be like, who the fuck is
I'm
this?
gonna go 1 thumb up. That's good though. I think the only thing that was weak for me was the cheesy fries.
I done put my whole meal down back here turning that sweet potato pie up.
Yeah, I'm about to be done because I can't.
I'll tell you, I'm not gonna be able to finish all this, but
Yeah.
Me neither.
that makes me happy.
That was good.
That means I'll have to take sleep for dinner today.
Overall, I'm gonna give it a 2 thumbs up.
Yep, that's where I'm at too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely recommend.
I might switch the fries to this honestly, just because these bad boys hating.
Well,
I'm kind of stuck there.
you heard it here first. It's good. Do me a favor and keep that motherfucking thing tight.
Oh.